Race number 5 has Cavallo Frosty, MD Casey's Comet, Beer Drinking Pro, West River Wonder, Casimir Hotshot, Windermere JJ, Perlane Y, and Lady Gigi. They're off and pacing. Cavallo Frosty at the rail, away quickly, looking to grab the lead. West River Wonder driving out second. Grabbing a tuck third is MD Casey's Comet. Casimir Hotshot caught wide in 4. Then grabbing a seat in 5 is Beer Drinking Pro. Caught on the outside from 6 is Perlane Noir. Back there racing in 7 is Windermere JJ, and at the back, Lady Gigi. They continue on to the opening quarter. Out front, Cavallo Frosty leads the way. Outside second is West River Wonder. Casimir Hotshot on the limb third. Following cover on the outside fourth is Perlane Noir. Fifth in at the rail as they race on over to the 3/8 is MD Casey's Comet. Then back to Beer Drinking Pro, sitting in 6, holding down 7 is Windermere JJ. And at the back of the field, as they continue off the top turn, that's Lady Gigi. 29-2 was the quarter. They move off the turn, entering the stretch now as they approach the half. Cavallo Frosty at the rail, parked on the outside. Casimir Hotshot second. In the pocket, West River Wonder is getting the trip third. Out second over is Perlane Noir racing in 4. Then 5th and coming off the rail is MD Casey's Comet. Beer Drinking Pro back there in 6. Then 7th on the inside. As they race to the backside as Windermere JJ and Lady Gigi can see them all as they continue on to the 3/4. 59-1 was the half. It's Cavallo Frosty by half a length. Parked on the outside going the long trip. Casimir Hotshot is still there second. Outside with cover is Perlane Noir sitting third. West River Wonder racing at the rail in 4. Then 5th on the outside, MD Casey's Comet. They arrive at 3/4. Cavallo Frosty still there by a neck. Casimir Hotshot right there second. Then Perlane Noir is pacing in 3. West River Wonder gapping out at the rail in 4. 129-3 was the 3/4. They race past the 7/8 and off the top turn. It's still Cavallo Frosty the leader. Outside Casimir Hotshot as they swing off the turn and straighten out for the stretch drive. It's Cavallo Frosty, Casimir Hotshot on the outside. On down the lane, Casimir Hotshot on the outside. Will move on now to win it. Second is Cavallo Frosty in 3rd. That's Perlane Noir.